Okay, students, here I am going to start some numericals, very simple numericals which you can understand very properly. The first one is calculate NDPFC, NDPFC, and the components are given in the question. COE, CO is compensation of employees, operating surplus is equal to 800, and mixed income is equal to 200. I think all the students can easily calculate NDPFC. How will you calculate? What are the components of NDPFC? NDPFC is equals to COE, compensation of employees, plus operating surplus plus mixed income of self-employed. This is the basic formula. Okay? Now, what is the compensation of employees? That is 1000 plus what is operating surplus? That is 800, and what is MI? That is 200. So the result is 2000. NDPFC is clear now. Very clear? Now, if the question like this way, that calculate NDPFC and compensation of employees is given, this is 1000, and operating surplus is given 800, profit 200, rent 100, and mixed income of self-employed is 200. Now what will be the answer? How will you calculate it? The formula will be the same. Compensation employees, that is given, that is 1000, no problem. Next thing, operating surplus is 800, profit 200, and rent 100. 800 plus 200 plus 100. Should I add all these things, or should I add only the operating surplus? What should I do? Yes, I will mention only 800. Why? Because operating surplus includes rent, interest, profit, and royalty. If the operating surplus is given, it means all the 4 items are included in that. Clear? If you are saying that I have taken the lunch, if you are saying that I have taken the lunch, so that lunch include all the things which you have eaten, na? Chapati, rice, vegetable, curd. The first you are saying that I have taken the lunch by 1 o'clock. The statement is complete now. But after that you are saying I have eaten the chapati, sugar, so I'm sorry, chapati, rice, vegetables, pulses. Yeah, if you are saying once that you have taken the lunch, that it means I understood. Lunch include all the things. There is no need to mention the separately. Very clear? Another one. If you are saying I have eaten burger, so burger include all the things. Bread, include cheese, vegetables, potato, tomato, and so on. Okay. So there is no need to mention separately that I have eaten burger, then I eat bread, cheese, and so on. Very clear? So if the operating surplus is given, there is no need to mention profit and rent. Then after, add this one. So the result will be the 2000. Very clear? No problem at all? Now the next question. Second one, calculate NDP MP. Here we have calculated what? NDP FC. Now we have to calculate NDP MP. And what are the components? Compensation of employees. This is 1800. Operating surplus 1200. Mixed income of self-employed is 400. Net indirect taxes is equal to 200. Now calculate NDP MP. First you will calculate NDP FC. How will you calculate NDP FC? The basic formula is what? The basic formula is COE plus operating surplus plus. Okay. Now what is the compensation employees? This is 1800 plus 1200 plus mixed income 400. So here will be 3400. This is not NDP-MP, this is NDP-FC. But we have to calculate NDP-MP. Then here is FC and here is MP. What is the difference between the MP and FC? What is the difference? That is net indirect tax. So how will you calculate NDP-MP? Here will be NDP-FC plus net indirect tax. So here will be 3400 plus NIT is what? This is 200. 3600. Clear? The numerical portion is very important, and I think this is the easiest topic in your entire syllabus. Okay. But if you think that there are some problem to understand this, you may send message to the WhatsApp, and definitely I will try to solve all the problems. Clear? Okay, just do it.